Yo guys, check this out. My alternator is about to give out on me. See? Ooh, what the? What was that? Well, I'm almost home. Let's hope the car doesn't die on me on the way home. So, yeah. Let's see if it does it again. Oh, it just did. Yep. This shit crazy though. Oh, so let me tell you how I know that my alternator's going bad or whatever, because like the clock on my dashboard is like really dim. Usually it's pretty bright, and my radio keeps turning off. Lame. Let's hope I don't have to replace the let's hope I don't have to replace the alternator. Hopefully, just disconnecting the capacitor to my sub box is gonna fix everything. Yeah, maybe there's a loose wire somewhere within my wiring, because I know I didn't do it too well. So, yeah. Alright, almost home. Let's get it. Alright, so I got the Prelude in the garage, and I've already disconnected the battery. Yeah! Alright, so this is the positive cable, and this red wire is the one that goes to the speaker system. So let me show you my setup real quick. Alright, so that red wire comes all the way from the front to right here, the capacitor. So this capacitor has been like beeping a lot. Pretty much what it does is it saves power for the sub. That big old box. Every time my system would hit, yo, there's a freaking bug in here. Look at that thing. What the? Wow. Okay, so every time my speaker would hit, my lights and dashboard lights would like kind of dim. It'd flicker, you know. So I had to get this capacitor, and what it'll do is it'll charge it up. It'll show how many volts it has or whatever. So every time that system hits, it's gonna take it from here instead of straight from the battery. No, not the battery. It's trying to suck up all the power from the alternator, which is draining the battery used for the car. I don't know. The point of the story is my radio, my head unit is pretty much turning off every time it thumps. So I'm gonna just have to disconnect my system for now until, yeah. But yeah, okay, well, today's goal is to pretty much disconnect the system and see if the car runs good without the system hooked up. Yeah. Alright, let's do this thing. Yeah! Actually, you know what? Let me check if the fuse is blown. Actually, it wouldn't be an issue, because if the fuse was blown, the sub wouldn't work at all. Well, let's just look at it anyways. So here's the fuse, and I can't really tell. Oh no! Alright, so you can see it is completely intact. It looks... Oh, what the... Oh man, I dropped it. Okay, well, see, it's straight, one piece. Now I just gotta find the blue pieces I dropped. Alright, I got me a flashlight. Let's see if we can find it. Maybe I should look on the ground first. It's not on the ground. Alright, well, I'm gonna just say I don't need it. I'm gonna go just clean up the wiring and see if the car will start and drive well. Yeah. And now the fun part, connecting the battery. Oh, just kidding. Well, that wasn't so bad. Usually it'll spark when I connect the negative, but I guess since the capacitor ain't hooked up, it no longer needs like a surge of battery. It doesn't need to automatically charge itself. So yeah, alright, well let's go and start the loot up and jab it around a little bit. Yeah! Oh shit, not a battery. Well, it looks like I need a jump start. Oh well, I guess I gotta wait till my brother gets home, and yeah, we gonna see. All right, so my brother finally came home. My savior's here. Time to pull this truck up, and I'm about to go and try to jump start the Prelude. Yeah. All right.
He finally made his shirt. The boy been procrastinating for like, man, for months. Finally made these shirts though. Looks good. Good job, bro.
You know what? People suggested I should just do a rolling start. I probably should have tried that.
You should have.
Alright, yo, let's try this thing. My first attempt at doing a rolling start. So I guess I'm just gonna roll the Prelude back, and as it's going down the hill, I'm gonna try to crank it up. Let's do this thing.
I actually think it's supposed to be going forward, but okay.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It matters?
I don't know.
Alright, let's hope.
Just be careful, there is a car behind you.
Okay, I ain't gonna roll that far back.
You might need to roll that far back.
Oh shit, for real?
I thought you were gonna take it down the hill.
Oh yeah? I'm just trying to go down this hill.
Nah.
Am I gonna hit your truck?
I don't think so.
Alright. Well, let me try to go down the hill and let's see this. Let's just see if this works.
Okay.
Alright, wish me luck. Oh, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I thought it would have.
Just back up all the way. Whenever you start going forward, I'll start pushing you, and then you turn on. Oh, we fucked up. We fucked up bad. Me and Rocky tried to do a push start. For some reason, this damn push start didn't work. It's bullshit.
Yo, so like rolling down the hill, it still didn't make any noise or nothing. I don't know. I guess I just don't know how to do a rolling start. Well, let's bring the truck around and we're about to jump start the Prelude. Hopefully I'm not stranded down the street. I got this. Red and black, right?
Yeah, red and black.
Sure?
Yeah, because I remember I always take off negative first. So I take. Woo.
Alright. Alright, time for the moment of truth. Woohoo! She's alive! Well, I guess I just gotta let the Prelude run for a minute. And yeah. Alright, yo, so check this out. I'm about to power up my, I'm about to roll up on Windows, and I think my shit's gonna turn off. My radio head. Check it out. Oh shit, it turned off. Maybe I need to run my car a little bit. Look how dim my lights get. Hold up. Oh shit. Look at that, everything turned off. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna ride around a little bit. Yeah, okay, let's do this thing. Oh yeah, looks like another job well done. Yeah, alright yo, I guess that's it. Oh shoot, I forgot there's a bug in my headlight. I don't know if you can see it. Well, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for checking me out. See you on the next one. Yeah!